Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Ready to discover a hidden paradise? Let's dive into the breathtaking beauty of Pakistan's northern areas. First stop, the mesmerizing Hunza Valley. Known as heaven on earth, this valley boasts the crystal-clear Attabad Lake, the iconic Passu Cones, and the historic Baltit Fort. Imagine friendly locals and views that make your jaw drop. Hunza is a dream destination for every traveler. Now, let's venture to Fairy Meadows, the gateway to Nanga Parbat, famously dubbed the Killer Mountain. Picture waking up to one of the world's most spectacular views, the 9th highest peak right in front of you. This hidden gem offers an experience like no other. Moving ahead, we reach Skardu, the land of giants. Home to Shigar Fort, the serene Upper Kachura Lake, and the vast Deosai National Park, also called the Land of Giants, for its endless grasslands and wildlife. Skardu is a blend of history and natural wonder. Next up, Neelum Valley, often referred to as the Kashmir of Pakistan. Imagine lush green valleys, towering mountains, and rivers flowing like silver ribbons. It's a place where nature whispers its secrets to those who seek adventure. Pakistan's northern areas are truly a wonder of the world. Whether you're an adventurer, a peace seeker, or a nature lover, there's something magical waiting for you here. So, are you ready to embark on this unforgettable journey? Like this video if you love travel, subscribe for more breathtaking travel content, and comment below which destination is on your bucket list. Stay adventurous and keep exploring. Please subscribe to my channel, Karamat Hussein Janjua.